Hello, P6 students. How are you? Are you doing good? Okay, long time no see. But now, since we cannot have our classes in the school, we will be having our classes through this video. So we will be having we will be having videos for you to learn from your teachers. Okay, so we will be sending our videos to you so that you can listen to our videos and learn the topics that we're going to teach you. Okay, so I hope everyone will listen. Okay, so before we proceed to our topic today, watch this video first.
Hello, friends. I am the Earth. Yes, the very planet you live on. I would like you to learn about a very sad part of me. The grown-ups call it the third world. But what they are really talking about is all the poor countries in our world. The third world is in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. And when I see what is going on over there, I feel like crying. They have practically nothing, and the children who live there are having a really hard time. There is no food, and they are starving. There are no schools, and many can't read or write, so can't prepare themselves for a better future. There are also no hospitals, so if someone falls ill, there are no doctors to help them get well. And also, lots of people suffer awful violence from wars and lack of water. Water, which is a major problem for the third world countries, and at the same time, we sadly give it very little importance to. When we want water, all we need to do is turn on the tap. But imagine if whenever you were to need water, you would have to go to a river or a well far from your home. Well, that's what it's like in the third world. There are 748 million people who don't have running water in their houses and are dirty, hungry, and thirsty. It's such a tragedy. And do you know that the third world is slowly turning into a large garbage site? Many rich countries say they recycle, but they don't. Instead, they secretly send their electronic and chemical waste to the third world countries. This rubbish causes great contamination, damaging nature as well as all living things. But not all is lost. There are many things that we can still do to help all the people, especially the children, which live in the third world. It is very important to recycle and leave our waste in the correct containers and designated areas. And what we don't need anymore may well be of use to other people. This way, they reuse our things and we contaminate less. There are also organizations such as UNICEF, Save the Children, and Red Cross who dedicate themselves to helping people in the third world. They get food, build schools and hospitals, and channel drinkable water so that it can reach the houses. These organizations need our help, though. We can collaborate by donating them a bit of our money. Remember that a lot of small coins can add up to large amounts. We can also ask our families to help out, reminding them that nothing can make us happier than making other people happy too. Volunteers are people who dedicate part of their lives helping others. They are real superheroes who, through their work and dedication, are trying hard to create a better world. From here, we say a big thank you to all the world's volunteers. So, my friends, I hope all of you help us end poverty in the third world and, like that, create a happier and fairer planet. Because, as you know, children can make a world of difference.
So students, P6 students, what did you see from the video? It's so sad, right? Right? Because people have no money and the environment is not clean, dirty, right? It's so sad. So it's one of the problems of the world today. So that is our topic today. We are going to talk about world problems. So everyone listen so that you can learn a lot about world problems that we are facing now, okay? Okay, so in this video, we are talking about global problems. I'm teaching you about global problems, okay? Global problems. Okay, do you see it? Okay, so our vocabulary words are first, okay, we talk about world. Okay, world, WORLD, world. Okay, so this is world. Okay, the world is where we are living, right? We are living here in this, okay, we call it world. Okay, again, what is it again? World. Very good. Okay, next word. Okay, people. Okay, what do you mean by people? Okay, people, these are the people. Okay, we are the people living in this world. Okay, people, People, people. Okay, again, repeat. Very good. People. Okay, people. Okay, these are the people. Okay, next word. Okay, environment. Okay, what is environment? Okay, everything that we see around us is our environment, right? Okay, so this is the environment. Okay, this is the environment. Spell environment. 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 Again, repeat. Okay, very good. Environment. Okay, this is the place where we live in. It's called the environment. Okay, next word. Okay, problems. Okay, now I told you earlier we are talking about problems. Okay, because this is our topic for today about problems in the world or world problems. Okay, world. Now, what are the problems that we have now in this world? Okay, first problem is, okay, corruption. Okay, again, repeat after me. Corruption. Okay, let us spell corruption. 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 Again, repeat. Very good. Corruption. Okay, what is corruption? Okay, corruption is an act of dishonest behavior by those in power. Okay, again, corruption is an act of dishonest behavior by those in power. Okay, so what is corruption? Okay, for you to understand corruption, here is the image of the corruption. Okay, like giving money in secret. Okay, when a person wants something to happen and he or she wants to make it happen so fast and he gives or she gives money in secret, that is corruption. That is not good, right? Not good. So that is corruption. Okay, next word. Next problem. Okay, crimes. Okay, crimes. Okay, let us spell crimes. C-R-I-M-E-S. Again, C-R-I-M-E-S. Crimes. Okay, crimes. Okay, repeat. Very good. Crimes. Okay, now, what are crimes? Okay, or what is crime? A crime is an act that is against the law. Okay, again, crimes is an act that is against the law. Okay, for you to understand what is a crime or what are crimes, okay, this is what happens when you do something bad. Okay, when you do bad, you will be put in jail. You will go in jail. Police officers will get you and put you in jail, okay, because you did a crime, okay, like killing, stealing, and many bad things, okay. So do not do bad things that are against the law, because police officers will get you and put you in where in jail, okay. This what will happen to you if you do crimes. Okay, next vocabulary word, overpopulation. Okay, again, overpopulation. Okay, let us spell overpopulation. Overpopulation. Okay, overpopulation. Okay, repeat, students. Very good. Overpopulation. Now, what is overpopulation? Okay, overpopulation is when there are so many people that the quality of life gets worse. Okay, overpopulation when there are so many people that the quality of life gets worse. Okay, like what you have seen on the video I showed you. Okay, there's so many people and people gets poor. Okay, the life gets worse because of many people, overpopulation. So what is overpopulation? Okay, like this. Okay, so many people that the condition is not good, right? It's not good. It's really bad because of many people. This happened in India. In India there are so many people, and it usually happens like this usually happens, okay? There's so many people everywhere. So this is overpopulation. Okay. Next vocabulary word is pollution. Okay, again, pollution. Okay, let us spell pollution. 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 Okay, repeat, student. Repeat. Very good. Pollution. Okay. Now, what is pollution? Okay, let us read. Pollution is the process of damaging the air, water, or land with chemicals or other substances. Okay, pollution. Our environment gets dirty. Okay, right? Now, for you to understand what is pollution, here is the picture. Okay, like this. This usually happens here in Thailand. Okay, because of so many cars and factories and everything, chemicals put in the air. So the air is polluted. It's not good to breathe. It's not good to breathe the air because it's polluted. Because of pollution. Okay? Okay, again, this is pollution. Okay, next vocabulary word. Okay, poverty. Okay, again, poverty. Okay, what is, okay, let us spell first. Spell poverty. Okay, poverty, Poverty. Poverty. Okay, students, repeat. Okay, very good. Poverty. Now, what is poverty? Okay, poverty is the state of being very poor. Okay, very poor. That is poverty. Okay, for you to understand what is poverty, here is the picture. Okay, this is poverty. Okay, people don't have good houses, and there's not enough food, and like this. Okay, you see the picture. It's not good, it's bad because of poverty. Okay, poverty, no house, no foods. Okay, okay, again, that's poverty. Okay, next vocabulary word. Epidemic. Okay, epidemic. What is epidemic? Okay, let us spell epidemic first. Epidemic. Okay, let's read epidemic. Okay, again, students, very good. Epidemic. Okay, so what is epidemic? Okay, epidemic is an easily spread disease that harms large number of people. Okay, okay, so for you to understand what is epidemic, okay, like this, okay, do you see the picture? So many people get sick. Okay, like nowadays, like now, we are experiencing COVID-19. Okay, COVID-19, COVID. We have COVID in the whole world. So this is what we call epidemic. Okay, again, students, repeat, epidemic. Okay, epidemic like COVID-19. Okay, let us repeat from the start. Okay, let us review our vocabulary words. Okay, before we talk about the problems, okay, let us repeat. This is our world. Okay, world. Next, the people. Okay, the people. Okay, next, the environment. Okay, again, the environment. Okay, now let us talk about the problems. Okay, the problems, the world problems are, okay, first is corruption. Okay, again, corruption. Okay, this is a picture of a corruption. Okay, next word is crimes. Okay, again, crimes. Okay, so what is crimes? Okay, this is a picture of a case when a person commit a crime. So he he's put in jail, okay, because of crime. Okay, again, next vocabulary word, overpopulation. Okay, again, overpopulation. So this is a picture of an overpopulation. Okay, next word, next vocabulary word. Okay, pollution. Okay, again, pollution. So this is a picture of a pollution. Okay, we have so many pollution. Pollution, air pollution, water pollution, okay, and others, land pollution. Okay, okay, next vocabulary word, poverty. Okay, again, poverty. Okay, so what is poverty? So this is a picture of poverty. Okay, poor, very poor. People are very poor. So that is poverty. Okay, next, epidemic. Okay, what is epidemic? Okay, this is a situation when there is an epidemic, like now we have COVID-19. So this is an epidemic. Okay. So you have learned already about the global problems. Okay. Can you still remember those vocabulary words? The world problems. Okay. Try to remember them because I will be asking you um our sentence structures. Okay, let us try if you can remember those vocabulary words, the global problems. Okay, so if I'm going to ask you what what global problem is it? Okay, so we have the pictures here. Okay, do you see the pictures? Oh, we have all the pictures here. So I'm going to ask you, what global problem is it? Okay. What global problem is it? Okay. Your answer will be it's blank. Okay. Again, what global problem is it? Okay. Your answer will be it's blank. Okay. So let us try. Okay. Try to remember those global problems or our vocabulary words for today. Okay. Try to remember them. Now, number one picture. What global problem is it? Okay. So what's your answer? It's blank. Now, number one, what global problem is it? It's poverty. Very good, students. I hope you got the answer correctly. Okay, it's poverty. Okay, next picture. Picture number two. Okay, picture number two. What global problem is it? Okay, so what's your answer, P6? It's blank. Okay, students, answer it. It's pollution. Okay, very good. It's pollution. Okay, very good, students. I hope you're doing it right. Okay, next picture. Okay, do you see this? Now, what global problem is it? Okay, can you still remember? What's your answer? Okay, what global problem is it? Your answer will be it's blank. Okay, so what is it? It's crimes. Okay, crime. It's crime or crimes. Okay, did you get it right? Okay, very good, students. You're doing it right. You're doing good. Okay, next picture. Picture number four. What global problem is it? Okay, it's blank. Okay, very good. Did you get it right? It's overpopulation. Very good, students. Okay, very good. Number five picture. What global problem is it? Okay, your answer will be it's blank. Okay, what's your answer? Okay, it's epidemic. Okay, very good again, students. You're doing good. Okay, and the last picture. What global problem is it? Okay, what's your answer? It's blank. Okay, what global problem is it? Okay, it's corruption. Okay, very good again, students. So you've guessed them right. Okay, number one picture. What global problem is it? It's poverty. Okay, it's poverty. Okay, number two picture. What global problem is it? Okay, it's pollution. Okay, very good. It's pollution. Okay, and number three picture. What global problem is it? Okay, your answer will be it's crimes. Very good. It's crimes. Okay. Number four picture. What global problem is it? Okay, your answer will be it's overpopulation. Very good. It's overpopulation. Okay, number five picture. What global problem is it? Okay, what's your answer? It's epidemic. Very good. It's epidemic. Okay, and the last picture, what global problem is it? Okay, your answer will be it's very good. It's corruption. Okay, so the six global problems that we have learned today are first, poverty. Next, number two, pollution. Number three, crimes. Number four, overpopulation. Number five, epidemic. And the last one, number six, corruption. Okay, now we are done with our first sentence structures. Okay, so next sentence structure. What are the problems do we experience now? Now, what have we experienced nowadays? Okay, what are the problems do we experience? Okay, what have you experienced in Thailand, or what do you see in the entire world? Okay, now let okay I let you answer three global problems. Okay, global problems. Your answer will be we experience blank blank, and blank. Okay? Like, for example, if I'm going to ask you, what are the problems do we experience? Okay, your answer will be, we experience corruption, pollution, and epidemic. Okay, again, what are the problems do we experience? Okay, your answer will be, we experience pollution, crimes, and epidemic. Okay, now it's your turn. Now it's your turn. Okay, what are the problems do we experience? Okay, what is your answer, students? Okay, very good, students. I hope you got it right. You answered right. Okay, we experience, okay, first, let's say pollution. Okay, second is crimes. Okay, and epidemics. Okay, those are the three you can name any three. Okay, so I only require you to answer three global problems. So we are done for our topic for today. So next is I'm going to give you a worksheet, okay, for you to answer. Okay, so this is your activity after our discussion. Okay, after talking about our discussion, after talking about our topic today. So this is your worksheet. You're going to answer this. Okay, okay. Do you see this name? Okay, write your name here. Okay, global problems. Okay, we have here the vocabulary words: poverty, corruption, crime, overpopulation, epidemic, and pollution. Okay, we also have the definitions here. Okay, now what you're going to do is choose the correct word for these sentences. Okay, now we have two words here. You have to, it's up to you if you're going to circle or underline. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, underline or circle your answer. Okay, choose the correct answer. Which one is correct? Okay, number one, the poverty or corruption in the government is badly damaging the country. Okay, so what is the correct answer? If your answer is poverty or corruption, you circle your answer or underline your answer. Okay, the poverty or corruption in the government is badly damaging the country. Okay, number two, a flu epidemic crime has broken out at school. Many children are sick at home. Okay, so what is the correct answer? A flu. So what is it? Is it an epidemic or crime? Circle or underline your okay, as I told I wrote here circle. Okay, so circle your answer. Circle. Is it epidemic or crime? Number three, crime or poverty affects so many in the world. People are struggling to feed their families and buy the basic things they need to live. Okay, so what is it? Struggling to feed. So that means no enough food. Okay, so what is it? Crime or poverty? Okay, number four, pollution or overpopulation is one of the biggest problems of our planet. There are just too many people, too many, okay, too many people. So what is it? Pollution or overpopulation. Okay, and number five, stealing a bag is a crime or corruption. So what is it? Stealing a bag is a crime or corruption. Okay, so answer this. Okay, circle your answers. And after answering this worksheet, give it to your teacher so that we can check your answers. Okay, so thank you very much, students, for listening in this video. I hope you have learned a lot. Okay, and I'll see you on our next video. Okay. Thank you very much again. Bye bye.